Okay, so I discovered a trap door at our new secret clubhouse, and I'm gonna go try and open it. I'm narrating. Are you gonna wish me good luck?
Good luck, Julie.
Okay, let's see how this goes.
Go, Julie.
Okay,
Julie.
you can come on.
I believe in you.
All right, I've got
On your mission.
There's a fucking pike. That's scary.
I will survive. Do it.
Oh, there's all these fucking balls that are everywhere.
petrified.
We can keep transferring to the floor.
Can live with the
There's a bucket.
We're good?
and I spent some
Yo, it's locked.
What's locked?
Fuck! It's fucking locked.
What's locked?
Who can break a lock?
Taylor can do it.
Taylor, come under here. Okay, we're gonna get Taylor to break that lock. Taylor, there's a pipe you can break the lock with. Come break the lock. Taylor, Taylor, get under here.
Coming.
Okay, Taylor's coming to break the lock. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna back up. Take that pipe and break the lock. Okay? Take the pipe, break the lock.
You feel it?
Yeah.
Ow.
Hey, how do you like it on your knees?
I don't.
Down here. I am sitting, by the way, I'm not on my knees. So,
I'm just
Hi! Guys, come to where the crack of the floorboard is and I can probably see you.
working on my way there.
Guys, come inside the house. Come into the house.
I don't want to.
No, I'm gonna film you through the crack in the floorboard.
Which one?
That's where I'm under. Come to where I am.
Where are you?
Right here. Oh, there's Brandy. If you can see her. Where's Amanda? Oh, there's Amanda and Brandy. Taylor, did you break the lock?
I'm working on it.
Taylor, do you guys want me to help you?
He's like, do you want to come under here, Amanda?
What?
I just have to warn you that to get under here, you have to get on your knees.
Well, Julie, I'm used to that.
He did it! Hey, I don't think I actually needed to break the lock. Okay, never mind. DB.
Julie, are you filming?
DB.
Can you see me? Julie.
No, I can't. Woo! We did it!
Okay, scooch down.
Okay, get out.
We've been trapped in here for 23 days.
Oh my god!
We are emerging to the daylight.
You need help? Oh, you have so much shit all over the back of your
Oh, I'm gonna be so muddy.
What is it?
Someone take the camera.
It's May.
What day is it, Brian?
It's May 2020.
Is it May 18th?
May.
That's the date I went down.
What are these things on my body? What are these things? Get them off of me. Get them off. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Peace.